Hey guys, this is Daniel and this is my bike check. My frame is a Mirraco velle 20.25 top tube. It's real sweet, it's real light. It's about 2 pounds flat. It's real light. Actually it's 3 pounds I think, I'm not too sure. I've got a Alex rim on the front with some shit hole. I don't even know what it is, I don't give a shit. But it's holding up really well for a stock hub. I got a kink headset, I got Ridden Industries fatty tire, it's awesome, I love it. I got a stolen stem with some black label high rise bars. Yeah, they're sweet. They came from Mirraco, they stay on my frame, Mirraco. I have a colony seat with a colony seat post. I have Odyssey twisted PC pedals, they're sweet, they're so grippy. Got some shit. I have demolition cranks. I have a KMC chain. I have Odyssey and Ross grips. They're sweet. I love them. They're so good. They're new, so yeah. My old ones ripped because yeah, I've been riding with them for ages. Got Odyssey slick linear cable. Yeah, got a Alex rim on the back with CMT tire on the back. It's some shit one I got. And I have a 25/9 conversion haro, 25/9 conversion. It's quite loud. I like it. Sweet. Yes, and yeah, I think that's my bike check. Alright, here's the hub sound. I'll make you the hub sound. Wait. And now I'm gonna do this. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And that's my bike check. Thanks for watching, fellas.